and uplifting about Black people and people of color. Also with Black history, it doesn't begin in slavery and it does not end in the civil rights era.
Cultured Books is focused on giving boys and girls the chance to see themselves in the books they read.
It just lights something up in them. They can see themselves as anything they want to be, whether it's a farmer or an astronaut, a doctor.
Located in a poverty-stricken area with low literacy rates, store owner L'Oreal Holloway found a way to keep books in the hands of kids through the Book Report Project.
Children hand off their book report, whether it's written, created with a collage, or even a podcast episode, and then use that as payment for a book of their choice.
The project is a way to give kids the opportunity to fall in love with reading.
We don't use the word free at all. We want children to read because they want to. We want them to be inspired by a book